I'm going to show you how to make the stitch. I already have a pattern of the stitch. I already have a video of how to make the stitch, but it is only with one color. But many have asked me to make one with two colors, so they know how to make it. So I made this video with two colors. As you can see, from this side it's like this, and from the other side it's like that. You can use it on both sides, as you can see. It's very nice. It's a Turkish stitch. Hope that you find it really useful and that you try it. So we start by making the chains, and chains we have to make multiples of 5. I'm only working on these 20, but if you have a larger project you have to make more stitches. Multiples of 5, always multiples of 5. Now I'm going to start with making another 3 chains. Now I'm going to go in the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'm going to make a treble, and I have to make 3 trebles in the 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. This is only at the beginning. You have to make 4 trebles because the chains serve as a treble, so you have to have 4, the beginning and in the end. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and you make 3 trebles, 1, 2, and you make 3 trebles in the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You skip another 2, 1, 2, and you make 3 chains in the next 3 trebles in the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now if you have more, for sure you will have more. I am arrived at the edge. You have more stitches, so again you make 3 chains, you skip through 2 chains and you make 3 trebles. Again 3 chains, you skip 2 chains and you continue like that. I'm at the edge, so I make 3 chains, I skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and I have to finish with 4 trebles. I have to finish with 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is the first row. You finish with 4, you start with 4. And then in the middle you make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, you continue like that. The first row is ready. Now I'm going to start the second row, and I'm going to start with a new, with the white. I make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to work on this one, not on the chains here, on the first one of these 3. I'm going to work on this one, and I'm going to do a treble like this. Put the hook from there to there. It's better that you make them like this. And you make 3 chains, 3 trebles. 1 in the same place, 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2 and 3. You are going to work always. Now you make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You are going to work always on the first one of the 3 trebles. You pick the other one, you put the hook from here to here. It's better that you put it like this so you can work better. And you make 3 trebles, another 3 trebles, 1, 2 and 3. Another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. You take the next 3, you put the hook from here to here, let me show you again. You put the hook from here to here, put the like this so you work better, and you make another 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Another 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now you have these 4, as you can see, and we're going to work on this one here, on the first one again. You put the hook from here to here, and you make 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to go here where we made the trebles, and we finish with a treble. Like we started, we started with 3 chains, and we finished with 3 chains, and that is the first row, the second row. Now we're going to repeat. I changed the cane, the color, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to do the same. First you start with 3 chains, you find the first treble here, and you're going to work on this one. You put the hook from here to here. It's better that you make your work like this, so you work better, and you make 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Another 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. You go to the second one. Always you take the first treble, you put the hook from here to here, and you make other 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Other 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. You go to the next one, you find the first treble here, you put the hook from here to here, and you make other 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Other 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. You go to the next one, the last one here, and again you make 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are at the edge here. We go here where we made the trebles, the chains, and we make a treble in the last one. We finish with a treble, and that is the other row, from this side and from this side. I change the color again. We're going to start with 3 rows. 1, 2 and 3. We turn the work around. I go to the first treble here. I put the hook from here to here, and I'm going to make another 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Always in the first one you have to work. Another 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We go to the second one here, the first treble, and we're going to make 3 trebles. 1. It's better that you put the work like this, so you manage better. 2 and 3. Another 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We go to the third one. Again we find the first one. You put the hook from there to there, and you make 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Always you have to work on the first treble that you have of the 3. another 3 chains. We go to this one, we find the first treble here, put the hook from here to here, and we make other 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. We're at the edge and we finish. We go here where we made the chains with a treble. Then again you change the yarn and you do the same. 3 chains, you go to the first one here, you make 3 trebles, 3 chains, you go to the second one and you go to the first one here again, you make another 3, always putting the hook from here to here like this. It's better that you put the work like this so you can work better. And at the edge is the same, you do 3 trebles here and you finish with a treble. And that is how the pattern is. If you have these over here, I like to put the hook from here to here, pull them like this, so you hide them. That is the first one, this one too, from here to here, and you hide them. And that is, then you cut off those that are, you have more. And that is the pattern. And you will have this result, as you can see. It's very beautiful. You can use it from this side, and you could use it from, I'm thinking of making a pocket with this one. I will make another one like this, and I'm thinking of making a pocket with this one. Hope that you found this video useful and that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.